Hello everyone, in this video we'll be creating this 3D model in Fusion 360, a basic 3D exercise for beginners to help you get familiar with the workspace and tools. So just follow along step by step with me and let's jump right into the 3D modeling. So our first step is create new design. We can click on new or we can go to the file menu here and select new. Then we select part design and we click on create new. Okay, next we will make this profile and body with their dimension here. So we need to create a new sketch. Select this plan. And we'll start the sketch with the line tool here. Click here. Select the center point. Click here. Click here and click this check mark icon. We click here. Then change this line type to construction. Then dimension this line to 40 millimeters. This line 70 millimeters. And this line 34 plus 45 millimeters. Then we use the arc tool. Select 3-point arc. Click here. Click here. And click here. Then click here. Click here. And click here. Ensure the tangent constraints are applied to both endpoints of this arc where one connects to another arc and the other connects to a line. Then add a dimension from this line to this arc point. 40 millimeters. And this arc radius is 80 millimeters. Then from the slot tool, select this option. Select this point. Click here. And click here. Next, add a dimension from this line to this line. 30 millimeters. And from this point to this point. 45 millimeters. Then select the circle tool. Click on the midpoint of this line. Type the dimension directly here. Select the line tool. We click here. Click here. Click the check mark icon. And create another line here again. Then select 3-point arc. Select this point, and click here. Apply a tangent constraint between this arc and this line. Ensure the tangent constraint is in a place between the two lines and the arc. Then add a dimension from this point to this line, 50 millimeters, and this point to this line, 35 millimeters. Dimension this arc radius to 18 millimeters. Then select the circle tool, select this point, type the dimension directly here. Okay, our first sketch profile is complete here. Make sure there's a padlock icon next to the sketch in the browser here that shows it's fully constrained. Next, we'll add the thickness for this sketch profile. Click on Solid tab and select the Extrude tool. In the profile section, select the sketch profile. Make sure the sketch profile is selected here. Then change the extrude direction here. Select two sides. Input the side 1 thickness here. And the side 2 thickness here. Click OK. Then we'll move to the next sketch profile. We'll create this profile or contour on this body. So create a new sketch. Select this plan. Select the rectangle tool. Click here. And click here. Next, apply a horizontal constraint between this point and this point, and also this point and this point. Then a tangent constraint between this line and this arc. Okay, next we need to add a horizontal dimension from this point to this line, 12 millimeters. Next, we'll extrude the sketch profile to create a cut. Click on Solid tab and select the Extrude tool. Select the sketch profile. Make sure the sketch profile is selected here. Change the operation type here and choose the cut option. Then we also change the extrude direction here and select two sides. Input the side 1 thickness here and the side 2 thickness here. Click OK. And now our exercise 3D model is complete, created exactly according to the reference drawing. And also with that, our tutorial is complete. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any question or suggestions, drop a comment below. See you in the next video.